Hey guys, you study English every day, but still not improving. Maybe you are making these common mistakes. So let's talk about. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonu Kumar and this is day 13 of my spoken English challenge. And today we will talk about a very important topic, that is why your English is not improving. Many people spend months or even years in learning English, but they still feel stuck. I also faced the same problem before. So that today I will share some common reason why improvement becomes slow. So the first reason is too much watching and very little speaking. Many people watch English movies, English podcasts, and sometimes reels, but they never practice speaking. For that, I want to tell you something. English is a skill, so only watching is not enough. So if you want improvement, you must speak every day, at least for 10 minutes. If you speak at least 10 minutes every day, it will improve your communication as well as your confidence. And the second reason is fear. People think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? Because of this reason, they stay silent. But mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker made the same mistake in the beginning. Even sometimes I made the same mistake because mistakes are normal. If you keep waiting for perfection, you will never start speaking. So just try to speak from today, not wait for tomorrow. So the another big reason is translating everything from Hindi to English and from your own language to English. This slows your speaking speed. So instead of making long sentences, you try to make or think simple or small sentences in the beginning. For example, I am hungry. I need water. I'm feeling tired. Like that. You try to make or do the same thing for the 1 month. And after 1 month, you can notice the difference. So let's jump on the next reason, that is lack of practice. Many people practice English for 2 days and stop for 10 days. This is big mistake. Improvement comes from consistency. Even a small daily practice is better than long practice once a week. If you want to become a confident and fluent speaker, so just you need to practice daily and stay consistent. So thank you guys. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Let's see you in next session.